went to Coles, mostly for like pantry items, and then I went to my greengrocer, which is called Harris Farm, and let me show you what I got. It's a pretty big shop. I've sort of been like doing little shops each week rather than fortnightly, and I find I spend more that way and I miss things, so I'd rather do one big shop all together in the same day over the fortnight. So I'll do Harris Farm first because it's all pretty self-explanatory. I've got lots of corn, 2 different coloured watermelons and grapes, eggplant, cucumbers, spring onions. Jack picked some apricots this week. I'm not sure if he'll like them, but we'll give them a go. More cucumbers, these like giant cloves of garlic, they're so good. Some dates. I actually have more dates down here. I wanted the big packet but could only find the small one, and then found the big one and I forgot to put it back. Got bananas, papaya, white peaches, limes were 10 for $2, which was great. Some apples, 2 dozen free-range eggs, cherry tomatoes, raspberries, figs, and I got some frankfurts for Reuben. This is the only fruit I had left, so pretty much oranges. Jack starts school this week and they have to bring a piece of fruit to share every day, and he really enjoys apples and cucumbers, so we have heaps of them, so he can take something that he likes to make sure there's, you know, some snack. So here it is. And I think everything is pretty self-explanatory. When it says imperfect, Harris Farm has got like a special thing, and it's food that otherwise would have not sold, and it's like either the wrong shape or something like that, and so you can get it cheaper in the store. So I spent $112 for 39 items. So the imperfect picks that I got were the apricots, the papayas, and the bananas as well. So that was pretty good. And Harris Farm's also phasing out plastic bags, so you can they have like reusable bags, a bit like this mesh that you put your produce in and then take to the counter and they take out. So it's a bit longer. Oh, sorry, that's my lunch. It takes a bit longer, but it's worthwhile without getting the plastic. And then over here, I've split my shopping into 2 lots. This is like regular stuff, and then over here, my husband's taking my eldest son Jack away for the weekend, so these are like a few things that I know that he will, not that one, that he'll enjoy eating, so I just got them like a few extra things. So I'll go through that first. Cocoa Pops for breakfast, and he'll have that almond milk, chips for a snack, peanut butter, does it live on peanut butter sandwiches, rice crackers, biscuits, coffee, and then this is my sort of regular shop. 3 packets of tortillas. I got this for Jack for school. It's like a thermos, and he can open it, so hopefully if I want to send him with something hot, that will work for him. Veggie chips we've got opened already. They have these scoop and weigh things, and they're a bit more expensive than if you bought like a whole kilo, but Jack had fun typing in the numbers, so we had some number practice, and then it spits out this sticker and you just stick it on, and they had a whole bunch of stuff. It'd be better if you could use your own container, but their bag gets weighed in with the container, so I don't know how you do that. But you can see, yeah, like $30 a kilo, $20 a kilo, and 28. So I got raw cashews, pistachios, and natural almonds. I've got rice crackers, extra baby food, a whole bunch of coconut milk, because I'm going to do that coconut yogurt again. That worked out well. Organic tomato paste, mushrooms for pizza, sultana, arborio rice, jasmine rice, apricots. I have to say, I don't know if you guys know this, but they're starting to put oil on all of the dried fruit. Not on that one, which is good. And then I picked up the organic sultanas, hoping they didn't have it, but they did. So if you can find a brand of sultanas without oil on them, let me know, because I don't really need extra oil on dried fruit. I guess it's so they don't stick together, but really who cares. This is Jack's lunchbox. He likes these popcorn things. Corn chips again for lunches. Chippies, they're for home. Gluten-free flour. I'm trying to be gluten-free, but no one else is in the family, so this is just make something for me and we'll see how we go. This also got opened in the shop. And then wholemeal bread, raisin toast, and for meat this fortnight ribbon's got sausages and chops. And that is everything. And my Coles shop came to $123, so I'm under budget for the fortnight. And that is my receipt. Oh, and the kitty litter. I always forget the kitty litter. So here is my menu plan for the next 2 weeks, and you can see there's quite a few extra things happening. So the boys are going away the 26th and they come home the 29th, so I mean it's not really that long, one night's pizza and we'll sort of have leftovers. And as usual, Grandma's is on Wednesdays and pizza night is on Friday nights. But otherwise, I've carried over from the last menu this tofu or chops on the barbecue with corn, rice and edamame beans. We've got risotto, sausages and garlic bread. I couldn't find the garlic bread for some reason where we went, so we'll just be having risotto and sausages, veggie for me and the kids, and meat for Ruben. Soup and prata and custard for sweets, and then malai kofta and rice, and then Thursday's waffles and eggs, so I'll just have the waffles and some fruit, and then loaded sweet potatoes, again leftovers are eggs, and Monday some cashew cheese quesadillas with guacamole. I didn't actually get avocados, they were $6.50 each, so that was a bit out of the price range. So we'll just be having the quesadillas, and I guess I'll make like a veggie platter to go with them. The cashew cheese I'm going to make. I might actually do a recipe video on that because it's really delicious. And then it's my mum's birthday on the 27th, and I am on the salads, and I said I'd do 4, but I can only come up with 3. And so one's like a watermelon and peach salad, a coleslaw, and then like a corn salad. And I'm making her birthday cake, which is like just a vegan cake from Veganomicon. Jack starts school, so I wanted to make sure I had what he liked for lunches, and then a few extra things for the boys to take away. That'll be easy for Ruben to feed Jack while they're gone. So that is the plan for the next 2 weeks.